In this video, I show you how to take a hardwood floor mop and turn it into a wall cleaner. You're able to quickly change out your cover, so if once this gets dirty, you just change it out and you're able to put a clean one on. For this tutorial, you will need a microfiber towel, some Velcro, and a hardwood floor mop. First step is to remove the cover that came with your floor mop. Next step is to cut small strips of the Velcro, roughly this size, and put them equally spaced around your floor mop on this side. Turn it around and put the same strips all along here. Make sure and press down hard so it bonds to the surface well. Once you have your Velcro on, get your microfiber towel and put one end right here on these Velcro strips. Press down so it locks in. Pull taut. Make sure it presses down on the Velcro on this side. And loop it around. And do the same for the end to lock it in place. And that's all you need to turn a floor mop into a wall cleaner. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful do-it-yourself and how-to videos.